Can we listen to some music about this? What can I do here? I can do this about, yeah, cool. Then no. Why is there no image here? What happened? So, we're getting this log. What is the user not being shown? One name, first name, last name. So, One oh two 127. Huh. So how's the incorrect user coming back? This account. Continue. Cool. I do, it's a number. Profile. Let's check this. So outer fallback, outer URL. So does the customer log this? What if I do? Let's just figure this out. Okay. How does this happen? What do you mean, bro? That's the image. Confused? Why? Like this worked fine. How does it work now? What do you mean? Live stream freaking work. That is a correct image. Oh, that's something. Notification alert. But what happened? What do you mean? Yo, what the hell? Alright, bro. Session, user. Okay. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. I guess it works. We'll see if it happens again. I'll fix it. Where is mine? Schedule. So business. This. Data, analytics, activity logs. Real-time data. Did it not have? For example. I guess I don't have this. password. We're logged in here. Yeah, user, feedback button, and now let's say we're on counts. Yeah, counts, right? So think the blog. You can check what they're doing with like the count stuff. Annotation. Not this. Occupation UI. Okay. Data display, not what we need. Forms no. Feedback will need later. Breadcrumbs. Not yet. Ornaments not needed. Okay, examples. So for sure what we need, right, is like a, oh shit, oh well, like a button that says add, or maybe connect account. Now that connect account would open, I think modal is probably the best solution, right? Which would have, actually, no. I don't think we need a modal. We don't need a modal. What am I saying? That would take us to like outflow, and if we connect another account, outflow, or rather it's, I think, outflow, where we create account in account stable, references main account, or links. This is too small. This is better. So when all of that is done, we can go back and have a table, counts, right? Or better yet, connected counts. And that account would be added here, would have like a, I guess, name needed, I guess, or better, provider first. So like, no, the provider is the best name, but like YouTube, what else? Oh, sorry, I didn't see your chat message. Ovitlith? Sorry if I butchered your name. I just figured out that my microphone is very far away from me. Oh, I don't know if you're still here. Shit, you left. Unfortunate. If you're still here, and my chat is incorrect, but like if you're still here, I'm building a social media analytics combiner, basically, where you will be able to connect multiple accounts, your social media accounts, and get the analytics, pull the analytics from that provider, YouTube, either YouTube or Twitch or whatever, or Twitter, or what else, I don't know, Facebook, and have that all in one place. You will be able to generate reports, customize your widgets, your charts, basically your whole data as you wish, and have this for multiple accounts, right, in your dashboard page. So right now I'm working on trying to connect, trying to create a flow for account connections, I guess. And yeah, that's basically where I'm at the moment. I don't know if you're still here, but if you are, that's what I'm doing. It doesn't seem like you are. That's unfortunate. Alright, so let's continue. So we have a provider here, can have like account name. What else can we have? Yo, Ketamin. Hello, man. How are we doing today? What else can we have? Provider, account name, maybe created at. Oh, is that enough? Nice, nice, good to hear. I'm doing good. Had a nice lunch and stuff, and had a nice rest after that, and now I'm here basically, continuing the process. All right, so as a table, I guess, right? And basically for every connect account we add another record into the table, whatever it is. Don't know if that's all we need. I guess we have to have like a disconnect. I don't know if disconnect is the correct word. Disconnect. Huh. Yeah, Sunday. Yesterday was rough. I wanted to stream yesterday. Detach. Maybe. Let's do this. So it's either disconnect, or detach. Yeah, let's add it here too, just for this purpose. Alright. I wanted to stream yesterday too, but yeah, I had a rough day. Had some stuff around the house to do. I was freaking tired after that. I took a day off, basically. I also got my affiliate, so now we're affiliated, and it's pretty nice. The only thing that I don't know if I like about being affiliated at the moment is like these ads. So like in the next 7 minutes, I'm gonna have to run an ad for 3 minutes. So yeah, I don't know if I particularly like that. Other than that, it's pretty exciting. Yes, it does skip them, but you don't have to suffer for that, man. I think it also skips them. I don't know if I should say that on stream. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna say that, but yo, brother, thank you for the sub, man. Much appreciated. That was very quick. Oh, yo, I also have a freaking notification for subs. I didn't know that. It's kind of cool. Gotta work on that. But thank you so much for the sub. You're my first sub ever, and you are getting How do I give you an MVP? MVP. Wait, let me see. You are getting an MVP for this. Yo, Grid. Yo, hello, man. Long time no see. And I do have a face. Look, woo. Look, I also have a beard. You like my beard? It's not really shaven. I don't have this, but Yo, Ketamine, let me give you an MVP. Just like I'm new to this shit, so it's kind of I'm still figuring my way. But thank you so much for the sub, man. Much appreciated. How do I do this, bro? Yo, Grid, do you know how to give people like MVP? Is it MVP? VIP. Holy shit, I suck. VIP. VIP. I think I VIP'd you. If you type something, you can check. Yeah, on Twitch. So basically, yeah, you should have it. This diamond means like you're a founder 1 month subscriber. That's pretty. I like this. Thank you so much, man. So Grid, what have you been up to, man? It's been a while. No, man, thank you. You're my first sub, man. I'm so happy now. All right, let's see this. So basically, this is what we want. This page will only basically show connected accounts by like provider. You should be able to like filter it out within the table if you want to see on like YouTube accounts. And I think that's all it will do. Like there is not much to it, I think. Yo, Grid is skipping my questions on how what's up and how he's doing. Oh boy. Is it are you a dev too, Grid? Or am I or not? I don't remember, honestly. Can't remember. But I haven't been playing much games too. It's been mostly just work too. So, okay. So what do we do here? Let me just think about this. So let's, on our front end, let's quickly create something on our front end so we can connect our backends to it, and then I do have to do migration stuff and basically create accounts table and connect that to the main account somehow with the account ID, I guess. Okay, so one main account or one user can have many accounts. I think that's the relationship, the correct one. Yeah. Okay. So we go here, our dashboard, and our accounts page. We have accounts, that's good. Can be a section. Okay, so I know who I'm gonna ask for SQL related stuff. Grid, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for many questions. But yeah, so I didn't misremember. I remember thought I remembered you being in the IT too. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. So where do you, so you work with SQL, like the DB management now, API integrations? It's pretty cool. I feel like that's one of the areas that I'm very weak in. I'm a dirty front-end developer. Let's just check. Chat, no chat, boom boom, Scaladraw. So we go to our accounts. Now we can do this. P8. Yeah, I think it's pretty hard. I've never dabbled with it enough, I guess. Alright, so P8, it's accounts. You can have, this can be an H2. Class name. Boom. We can check our Cyan UI. It's not hard at all. Damn, man. Maybe some you know, paid walkthrough. Wink wink. Task playground form, components, we need components. Yeah. So what do they have as table here? I'm guessing it has to be using, right? Table, TanStack, React table. Okay. Build, you can use table component to build more complex data tables, combine it with TanStack React table to create tables with sorting, filtering, and pagination. See the data table documentation for more information. Alright. Data table. Alright, so what do I need to give me this? And let's set up our table too. Man, damn, there is a lot of work, but it's very exciting. I freaking love this. Let's go. Bum, bum, hopefully I installed correct dependencies. It's really been I'm actually very happy to see you in the chat group. It's been a while, like I remember back in the days when we played, I think we even played Ghost Recon together, right? It's been that long. Okay, what can I steal from here? Steal, give me stuff. Grow, yeah. Rainbow Six too. True. Okay. I wonder. Okay, this didn't go into our conversion files. So what do we have here? Let's do this. Table. And let's build the simplest table that we can. So let's copy this. Accounts. Well, I will definitely extract this to components, but for now, for now, I think we're good. Return. Bum bum ba-da-da-dum. Import. Why can't I import all, bro? What is this? Table cell. Oh shit, a lot of imports. And then what we can do, I think, let's just do accounts table. Oh, good. Boom. Alright. So our accounts need like margin button 4, even more, I would say 8. On the other side, for our accounts, I would like to have a button that will be primary button. I will say connect accounts. Oh, good job me. Flex, justify between, and remove this and add it here. Okay, cool. I might. So we're good here. Alright. So let's refactor this a bit. Table caption. A list of your connected accounts. Account provider. Probably don't even need. I think we're good with provider. And name and created at. Don't need the amount. So we're good. Provider. We can hard code this for now. YouTube untest and test stitch. It's good. I believe there's one. Yeah. Okay. So we remove this, and we can have. Can we have a button in here? I think we can. We should be able to. Detach. Yeah. Alright. But I think I can't remember what I have on my landing page. Alright, so I think will this have to be like a client component? I think it will. Parts of it at least. Yeah. YouTube API. YouTube data API. Let's read about this a bit. YouTube analytics and reporting APIs. Cool. Because when you connect your Google account, you basically get the data from Google, but you don't get your YouTube stuff, I think. Pretty sure. But we could prep this anyways. And I'll go and then change accordingly. Yeah, I think we're good then. I think in our auth.go we could, or no. Alright, I did a little bit of refactoring. So let me think about it. So this is what we need. Let's sketch up a. Where is our bro? I suck. YouTube data. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so here. Let's look at our auth flow. So first, user clicks the button. User has to choose a provider. Then auth runs. If everything's fine, all fine, we go to like the function that I have in the backend. Not exact one, but it will have to be the same, like this, just the other name, and it will not be storing a user into the user table but the account table. It hits the slash provider slash callback, and then creates the account in the DB. Does Next.js do session cookies? I mean, I don't know. Yes, it does. Not that I don't know. Why? Yes. But I'm pretty sure just for that session cookies flow, you need another lib. Like something like Next.js or something, I think. If I'm not wrong. Yo, it's just Triz. Thank you for the follow, man. I really have to get the notification sound on, because follow notification sound on, because I'm missing my followers. Sorry, man. No, it was 5 minutes ago. I really missed it. But thank you for the follow. Well, so here's the thing, like my auth stuff and knowledge about auth is pretty shitty, I think. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, if I'm being honest with you. So basically, we have this, I have this. We have the FE that communicates with the server. Obviously, if I'm saying something wrong, correct me. And I think in between we have the auth flow, right? Via Gothic library in Go. Basically sets it up for us. So let's say we are doing our first sign up. We're creating our account in the application for the first time. We click the sign up button. The provider is Google provider. The pop-up window opens. Connect your account. La 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 la. You connect your account, and then in Go begin auth handler func runs. If that logic passes, we go to our callback auth func, which runs basically no, this isn't. No. I'm explaining what I'm doing for the first sign up, but you are right with your question about the other things. So yeah, I don't know. I have nothing. I don't know how I'm gonna handle it. It's still, everything's up in the air, but that's why I'm here. Working on it. We'll see how it goes. I'm definitely gonna make mistakes. I'm definitely not gonna. It's not gonna be super easy. I think this offlow is the worst thing that I can think of, and yeah, I'm not sure. But yeah, the first thing is like, so when this call out auth func begins, we do we run Gothic runs the complete user auth func, like fucking func that it has, or a function. Then what happens then inside that second part is you get the user, the fucking that thing. Fuck me, come on, bro, I suck. That thing returns a user, a Google, a provider user. So then I store some user info into a session cookie. Then I do a check. I think I do the check first. If user does not exist, then we run the service to store / create a user in the DB with the necessary data. Yeah. What else? And then I think that's pretty much it. And then I created a middleware for. Sorry, I missed something. Also, we create a HTTP only cookie with a random string value in our Next app. Alright. Then on any Next request, we check in our backend and in our Afi middleware if the user ID or user still exists, and if Afi still has that cookie. basically I have a middleware on both Next and on, what do you call it? On the freaking backend. And you can't do any other API calls that are protected by this middleware, which I think are basically all except for these two, right, that are with the login or sign up, sorry. So yeah, there is all like a lot of stuff missing still. I don't know if this is correct. There is probably room for improvement. We don't need this. Probably definitely room for improvement, but like this is some general shit that happens now. Yeah. But so now I wonder how I'm gonna handle this. Let's try to handle it. Okay, where were we? It's a little bit hot in my room. Give me a second. I just gotta get the AC going. It's very hot. I need to. Alrighty, I'm back. Nice. Alright, let's continue. Try to continue at least. So, where do we start? Let's start with the migrations, I think. Where is Grid? Where is Grid when you need him? Create accounts table SQL. What do you mean? Is it now? Alright. So create brother. I wonder. to write everything out counts. Right, so here we're gonna have again ID, definitely, right? This provider ID. Don't think we need email. Huh. No, we can have an email too. Avatar URL. No, we don't need avatar URL. Or maybe we'll need it in the dashboard, so we're gonna have to differentiate between these guys. So that's cool. I think we'll go with that. Yo, David! I see you in the chat, David. I see you in the chat. Alright. So, I think when you do, like, as far as I remember, right? So, main account ID. It's like, no, but main account ID is still, it's not an integer, because I'm pretty sure the Google ID is just like a string, or a provider ID rather. So yeah. What's wrong here? What do we have? Okay, not null, it can't be null. Someone needs me? Nope. Alright. We're missing this thing here. Do we add access token and refresh token in here? No. Foreign key users. Oh boy. Alright, hey, I think I have, I wanna add, I have to run an ad break, unfortunately, for 3 minutes. And in that time, I will take a quick break so you guys won't miss anything. And I will be back in 3 minutes. and we'll continue working on this. I think we're on the right path. We can do this. So I'm gonna run an ad now. Hopefully you'll still be here. Unfortunately I have to run them, and in 3 minutes I will be back. Alrighty, we're back. Hopefully we're good now for an hour. I don't know. I'm like, is there a way? Does any one of you know? And if you do, let me know. There's probably a way that where you can turn the ads off, right? Like maybe I don't know how good this is to run ads if I don't have to. While I'm just a small streamer, like I don't see a point in running ads. If anyone has an input, just let me know. Like, I tried, I think, searching yesterday while I was setting everything up for the affiliate thingy, but I don't think I was successful. That's pretty much it, I think. Yeah. So, what do we have here? Provider ID. You say make my bread, but bro, this is not my bread. I'm hoping that this app will be my bread alongside with my job. I like hanging out with people on Twitch, that's nice. If something happens, that's even more nice right now. Like, I don't know if this, like, when you run ads every hour for 3 minutes, like if this turns people off. Like I think it would turn me like off if I'm, you know what I mean. If you had to wait 3 minutes, like I would probably switch off the stream. Alright, let's freaking build this and run the migration. So we have ID. This, and then we can also have, I think it's good to have, let's do this, and yeah, we already did, like, this does not help me, man. Like this, then we can do this, then we can have a provider user ID, boom, okay. Bro, my dog is crying, what the hell, come on, man. I think, where is our, we can, yeah, user ID, and then this, I think users is just ID, yes, okay, cool. Then in our users table, I don't think we have to do anything here. I might be wrong, but okay. If I now do this, drop table if exists users, well, probably, right? Yeah, that's fine. I have to create like a migration data boilerplate data that will also fill the database, but I think I'm gonna do that on Monday probably, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's Monday. Is it dash migration? Like, I don't remember. Make file, build, make all, make build, make run, make test, clean, watch. Bro, what the hell? What was my... Oh, let's figure this out. I don't remember. Yeah, I did not add it to make file. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Go CMD API. There we go. Is it migrate? Or just migrate? Or just migrate? Give me a second. I have to see my enemy. I suck. Can you guys hear my dog crying? Gotta wait. I gotta send my wife. You can? Fucking hell. Nah, she just wants to go outside, but I don't know if my other dog is outside and they hate each other. Give me a second. Alrighty, solved. Solved, finally. Fucking hell. It's just dogs. What can you do? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. So, like, what are you saying? I don't understand. Like, it definitely is not migrate. I think I know what's fucking wrong. Cannot run migrations. Error creating duplicate migration file. Create users table up. What you mean, bro? What you mean, bro? Migrations path. Cannot run migrations. Run migrations. Okay. An instance. So we are here. New with database instance. So wait, you're telling me? No. Oh. Okay, so this sucks. I don't know. I'm gonna read about this because this is wrong. This is not how you should do it. Definitely. Like, okay, go routine. Cannot run migrations. Migration failed in line. Create table users. Error. Relation users already exists. Oh, fucking secret. Give me freaking tables and stuff, and give me freaking front end, and I'm fine. So what's wrong here? Create table accounts. Where is grid? Grid! Cannot run migrations. Error running. Okay. failed and line 0. Yeah, okay, but like, can we not fucking skip this? No, not this. This, like. Users, okay, and drop table access accounts. What about now? Dirty database version 2. Oh my god, from one error to the other error, bro. What the hell? Dirty database. That's that's something. What are you saying? Duplicate migration file. I don't know what to say. Like, I gotta read about this because I'm totally dumb right now, and this doesn't feel nice. Let's see. I mean, I know what the error means. I'm just like. We are having troubles to migrate. This is pretty bad for me, because this is one part that I don't really get. So what can we do? Like I'm kind of stuck here now. There is no other error from file does not exist. Read up. Okay. Basically, so wait, if I do create users table up.sql whatever, boom. Does it not save? No, I think for what I understand now is that if you're creating a new migration, there has to be like 1 and 2, which is kind of fricked. Like 1, 2, 3. There has to be the previous ones too. So like, what if I run it now? Duplicate migration file. Brother, what do you mean? But like if I remove this, right, and run it, fuck, I removed the wrong one. Table down. Yeah, actually, if I remove this one, let's delete this one. And now, like if I just have this, and now I run it, dirty database version 2, fix and force version. Like, what the fuck do you mean? Let's look at our migrations.go. Error running migrations. No change. Yeah, this is like really unhelpful from them. Like, what do you mean? I don't get it. Like, I think it's time to ask a Mr. Jibbity, because I am kind of stuck, bro. Let's see what. Although, like, I'll just look at the fucking this dirty database version. Let's look at this. Go migrate dirty database version. So I'm not the only one. I'm a user. I'll go like migrate. Fuck me. Migrate. Rerun the migration in PSQL shell, and after connecting to a database, exit you drop database key migration. But now I run the code. Go, I'm up. No change. Fixing for dirty data means that you tried to run migration v2 and it failed. Database can be inconsistent or broken. Yeah, okay. Rerunning. I don't see shit. Is unpredictable. Okay, well, how do I? How do I undirty? How do I undirty my database, man? Like, please tell me. Dirty flag and all back version number to last migration that was successful. After you clean up, you can also table and change dirty flag. Like this means fuck all to me. Migration table is not present. Go migrate would know if the last successful that it had applied the case. When this happens, you probably need to fix the error manually. Oh, don't tell me that, bro. Where is Mr. Grid when you need him? Damn, man. Forget this. So, okay, let's do rename one. Okay. File. So it says that Shift F6 is the rename. Yeah. I mean, it's good insofar that I haven't, I don't really have any tables, any meaningful tables, that is. So that's kind of at least something. Okay. So if I run it now, no, this doesn't fix it. Okay. Let's get this one back up. Do this. Okay. So we should not run both up and down. We only run up. You need to add in run migrations. Where is it? Here. We need to handle a dirty state of the DB. Like this is the furthest of like my area of expertise I could have went, like literally. Okay, so let's see this. We can have direction, string. I just wanna move away from this. I feel like I could already create a service and everything. We probably tested stuff out already. But then again, this is all part of the fucking process, so I think we're good. So if we have case up, so direction is gonna be up, down, force, and drop. We'll see if this is gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. This basically does this. Yeah.
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Feel me like a Hellcat. Feel me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Have I actually been muted this whole time? Oh my god. I'm sorry, man. How are you, David? I'm sorry. I'm like, why is David not answering me? What did I do? Fucking hell. No, I wasn't in the zone. I'm fighting with everything. And I'm like, talking to myself. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, it's just the noob streamer, bro. Noob streamer. David, do you see that I have a sub button. I've managed. I've done it. Oh, he has done it. pretty exciting, I gotta say. It's not much, but it's an honest work. Do you guys think that I should open up a beer? Do you want to hear the thanks, man? Thank you. You've been here for the longest, man. Should we crack open a beer? Crack open a cold one with the boys. Oh. Okay. Account stable. I think we are almost there. Like 100%. User ID. User ID. I think I know what the fuck it is. So it's int. Okay. You're fine. I mean, yeah. But let's see. Please. Migrate drop and migrate up. Oh my god, we have done it, bro. Boys, we have done it. Something that should have taken 3.5 minutes took me 35 minutes. Oh, we have done it. Alright, let me go grab a quick beer and I'll be back in a minute.
Never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a stride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Alrighty. Oh, where are we? Where were we? We were turning the camera on. Okay. And I don't know if you can see it. Boom, boom. Cheers. A cold one. Oh, so good. So good. So I think the next thing, what I need to do for this channel in general, is get the like subscriber icons and new emotes. I think I'm gonna try to handle this next week, during the next week. I don't know if I'm gonna ask someone to do it for me and pay, or I'm gonna try to do it myself. Might be worth doing it myself, honestly, since we are still a very small channel and might not be worth paying money. I don't know. Alrighty. So, what I figured, alright, here is the Fiverr does good work. Oh yeah, true, I could find someone for like probably not a lot of money to do it for me. I already have the idea kind of what I want, so that's a good shout. So what happened with this SQL thingy? First tables that were created needed to be first to be created again, and when I had like 1 1 1 1, the accounts was being created before users, and then it was just basically failing, and it broke, and the failed migration set the flag, I guess, as false in the table somewhere. I don't know exactly, in the schema, I guess, table schema, and that's the reason. AI? Well, yeah, I guess I could. I don't know how good it will be. I could try for free. Right. So finally now, yeah. But I guess, you know, this is all part of the journey. We're gonna definitely hit some bumps. There is no doubt in my mind that we will, honestly. Yeah. Alrighty. So. What I wanted to do now, I think, is like create a service. So in our, where is it? Services folder, we can create a, what is accounts go, right? And I guess we can check the, give me a second, query console, how to check the select all from schema migrations. You can run this, and yeah, we have the schema version, and we have the dirty flag, which is now false because everything's fine, right? But yeah, so there's a good thing to check and know about, I guess, when your migrations fail. I've also seen that creating migrations with the timestamp is the best bet of doing it. So like, obviously, you have a timestamp that was 5 days ago, and you create the new one today. It's gonna have today's timestamp, and it should never, this that happened to me should technically never happen, from what I get or understand. Oh boy, this took a lot out of me, to be fair. Who wasn't expecting this. Alright. Where were we? We can close all of this. Close all tabs. Yeah, we can do that. Accounts, services, and then have a user service. Let's check what we did here. So we're gonna have to do mapping between models and DTOs now. Alright, I can copy some of these lines. So like here for this, we can do a. Are we in the accounts? Yeah, account service struct. It's gonna be like this. That's fine. And then we can do func new service, like a constructor sort of. It's gonna do this. I think that's fine, pretty much. Yeah, this is what we did. Actually, no, incorrect. Our database service, and then we can do .db here. Whew. Okay. I think we're kind of stream away from doing front-end work, so I guess all of this is gonna be like the back-end pane work, which is not my strong suit, so I'm definitely gonna fail a lot here. Let's do make run just for show. It's a go backend? Yes, it's a go backend. And we are you know, kind of not very knowledgeable in Go. Let's say it like that. I know some stuff. I also don't know some stuff. So this is learning for me, basically. And failing, and we will fail definitely and learn new things, so I think this is good. You know what, I like it. I was like weighing of doing like Next.js or Go, because I don't want to do like C#. I think I talked about it last stream, right? And yeah, I decided to go with Go because I worked with it before, not a lot, but before I did. We hate .NET here. .NET hater squad assemble. Bro. You know, like I was thinking, my whole work backend is in Go. Sorry, frick, no, in Go, in .NET. And it handles so much stuff, and I don't like it. I just don't like .NET. It's kind of well, let's just say I don't like OP, basically. I think that's, and the part that it's fucking Microsoft is like definitely and the whole ecosystem of like Azure stuff, which we also use. I don't like it. And at my last work they used Go, and like even if you're a nerdy noob like me for Go, like you could read if you wanted to find out what's going on like a even maybe a deep-ish level, what the frick is going on. You could have read from Go code. Whereas when I read the backend code of like .NET backend code now, there is a lot of like helper functions, not functions, maybe classes and methods. That it's hard to find your way around it when you don't use it, when you're not a backend developer. So I think for me at least that's one plus for Go, and then there are other things. And then the fact where you can like literally go and you read this, right? You go and read this, you understand what the hell is going on here. I just like I really like the readability. Yeah, that's what it feels like, right? It's like just a Microsoft Java. And obviously Java has gazillion projects that are like legacy, big ass projects, and it will definitely never go away. But if you can use something nicer, and obviously if you want to learn something new-ish, because it's not really super new, realistically, I find like Go is pretty nice. I don't know. Obviously you can go for Rust, you can go for other things, but I don't know how worth it Rust is to like do. Yo, there's gonna be another ad, guys. You won't miss anything, don't worry. I'll take a 3-minute break and come back, and then we're gonna continue building our accounts service, and try to connect an account to our main account, like a social account like YouTube, probably a YouTube account, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna run a quick ad now. Unfortunately, I have to figure out for the next stream if it's even worth it and turn them off altogether. Because we might not need it. We might be too small for viewers to wait for 3 minutes to run an ad. but bear with me for this stream, and let's take a 3-minute break, get our drinks in. I already have mine, but yeah, get our drinks in, chill a bit, and I'll see you in 3 minutes, yeah?
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
Alrighty, I think we should be good now. We should be good now, I think. Let's continue working on our. I have like an hour more that I can stream. And I was thinking, let's expand. So let's kind of expand our. What do you call it? Our auth service. Where is it? Boom. What do we have here? This is just a cookie setter, kind of like an auth config. If I'm not mistaken, and our handler. Yeah. All right. Here. Let's do. So, as we have func begin auth handler, so let's have like func user service is here. Gonna have to have a account service in this struct too. I think. So now we can connect auth handler. So we can do I can do res http dot response writer request http request right. Fucking is the yeah, it's kind of good. This is what we want, right? Provider. Then with context. Let me pass this. We add the provider into request. That's fine. Key provider. Okay. So now. Can have a get. It's not get auth. I guess get connect auth. Callback function. Res this and request this. Bro, I fucked. So with this right here, right, we're reading from our URL, we're reading this provider param. So it's either gonna be a Google or a GitHub or Twitch, I guess. Depends what your provider will be. And that will be handled later in the front end. I'm gonna think of what I'm gonna do with that though. How do I guess I can provide like a drop down providers where you can select, and based on the drop down the value will be like a Google or Twitch or whatever, and that's gonna be sent in URL. Can be, I think that can be a solution. So basically all we do here is almost the same as this. Not all. We're gonna have to have a different kind of different. This part is the same, it has to be. Then yeah, also this part. If there is error, we go, what do we do here? Internal service, yeah, it's fine. Except now we're not playing. We can get this, right? We can check the session and obviously cover this error if this happens, and that's fine. But we must not change these values or add to these values and overwrite them, right? I have to check if there is from UX perspective, you think? So what will be the solution if you think about it? Let me view it in chat. No, dirty. So if we go to our Escaladraw, right? So we can go to our, like, let's see, this will be our sign up, and I guess, yeah, sign up slash, or more like a landing, no. So we have landing page, but we're gonna have sign up, modal, and then like a landing page, boom, and then like here you have this, right? For example, I don't know like the exact design for the landing page, because that's I'm probably gonna hire a designer to design me a landing page, because I'm quite inexperienced with that, and I don't know, like, just not a designer. That's all. So if you think about it, you're gonna have like sign up here, right? You click that, boom, we open a modal, yeah, and here we're gonna have like, what do I have here? Because like if I have, for example, what these other apps have, not exactly, right? But for example, this would be like Google. This would be like, I don't know, whatever. Can I duplicate this? This would be like Twitch. This would be a GitHub. You get the gist. And there's possibility to have like, what, 20, 30, whatever providers. Like I would cover at least like, I don't know, a TikTok, a Facebook, a Instagram, that's already 3, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, that's 6, that's 7, that's 6. What else? So like there's a possibility to have numerous providers, and just having buttons seems like not the way to go, because I don't know. So every one of these buttons would basically be like, this is not a Google, I guess this is a GitHub, whatever. GitHub, alright, or GitLab, whatever you want to, and that sends the provider to the server, provider name rather. So yeah, it's kind of, that's why I thought of a drop down, but then again, yeah, user has to click twice. So you click on the drop down and you have to click like a submit or whatever. So yeah, that is not also the solution, I guess, what you're saying, David, yeah. So I don't know, I have to think about it. I don't know, it's not really, I think, worth having multiple icons or numerous icons here. It's just not worth it. And also then again, the drop down is not a good solution, so it's gonna be fun. But hey, that's alright. We have our own, we have time is on our side, so whatever. So let's check the, how can we call this guy, like a logged in user, I guess. And we need okay, yeah, fucking hell, like okay, and then we have this, and if not okay, if I'm not okay, that's it. Or we can do a better message, main
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
what can I
Hold tight, kept me
it's color draw.
hold tight,
Okay, here. Circumatory. Let's look at this. I need. So. Well, I don't know. Why do I need so many? I don't know. I wanted to make. Maybe you're completely right, and 3 or 4 are enough. The most common ones. I wanted to have like, if one person is coming for like Instagram and TikTok, and like the person would like to log in or sign up, sorry, with his TikTok account, then if I don't offer that, I'm gonna have to add it later in the next future iterations or whatever, right? I don't know. For MVP, we could just do what you said. Maybe just Google, Facebook, and like Twitch or yeah, Facebook and Instagram are one, so that definitely narrows it down. TikTok is not owned. TikTok is not owned by any of like Google or what, Meta, whatever you wanna call it. Or GitHub. Yes. Yeah, but like, yeah, with Google, you see, like, you have YouTube, right? I don't know what else is with Google that is like of mention. Nothing really, right? Worth mentioning, because Twitch is its own thing too, right? Twitch is just Twitch. It is not owned by, or am I wrong? Is Twitch owned by someone else, like from the big companies? Amazon? But that really doesn't matter if it's Amazon, because still, yeah, okay, it's Amazon. Got you. I just forgot. I couldn't remember. Alright. So let's do this. We can then check for, I guess, log and and then we have that. Yo, there is a fucking nice weather outside in Croatia. Not, bro. How do you assume that, my friend? This is the go away. Go away. Yeah, it's true. Like, what the hell? And now, see, like, again, wrong assumption. We're not doing that, bro. Now we need the service. Now, add account to user. Okay, that's it basically. So let's go into our, what is it crying for about? Okay, just so you calm. Let's do this. If we go, there's another error here. The error is because of the user, but we'll need user, and we're gonna pass it to the service, so that's fine. And just so my ADHD doesn't act up, I'm gonna do this. I mean, technically I would have done that, but it's fine. Whatever. So we have, so here, what is saying that our kind of, we need to don't know what to do here. Like it's super easy to just create an account. That's fine and connect it to the main account. But then how do we handle like the auth stuff, I guess? Could set HTTP cookies for each one of them. Don't know if this is an oracle though. You think they're a decent shot? So, like, I'm thinking, what's the worst? What's the worst that, like, having too many cookies is like? What are you gonna do? You're gonna have 50 freaking accounts connected to my app and crash everything? Like, that's I don't see that happening. Like, who has 50 social media accounts, whatever accounts? I mean, obviously it can happen. Like, I'm just thinking. Shit ton of individual cookies for each service. Yeah, I mean, we can try. Like, what's? That's why we're doing this, to try this, to test this out. Let's see. this cookie. Crap. I was wondering though, like, so I'm probably not thinking correctly on this. We already have a cookie set, right? So that cookie checking basically everything, every provider. Like, we have this. Where is it? Provider user ID. No. Brother. Okay. Provider user ID. That is basically, it's a little bit not a good name. This is not a good name, so I have to change this. But this is basically the provider ID, and in accounts table, this is the provider ID. So every account will have its parent. Can I call it parent? Like its main account provider ID, and that is basically this. Right, the session cookie for the whole session. And if we check that that session is the same, the session ID rather, is the same as in the frickin' accounts, shouldn't that be enough? I probably said the stupidest thing ever, but that's what I'm thinking. Right? So have this session set up in my browser, HTTP on a cookie, and it carries like that session in my backend carries the provider ID, and that provider ID you want to use state as opposed to persistent ID to identify and validate. See. Okay, so let me quickly think about this. Okay, plan this. think this is unnecessary. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Google, bro. Do this for now. Cons. User ID. No. No. Nice. Good fucking job. Like, zero fucking help from you, bro. Like, why am I paying 20 euros for this bullshit? The prompt, I don't actually know. Yeah, there is a chat. How to generate a random session cookie name in Go. Damn, I fucking doxed myself now, bro. Fucking hell. Rand. Crypto Rand. Got him. What do you mean? Cannot use. Okay. Like, are you seeing this? Like, I understand, so I need what? Need error or what? This is stupid, bruh. Like, okay. Name. Cookie name. Getting pissed. Yes. What do you mean internal server error, bro? This, give me this for now. I mean, I guess there has to be, yeah, there has to be. Okay, whatever. So can I use a cookie name now here? Oh, thank you. Yeah. It is. You're right. Bum 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 bum. Bro, I should drive my beer. What is this? Alright. Do I need to... I'm thinking, like, I don't know if I need this. Because is it set cookie? It's cookie, whatever. So it's not that. It's, is it this? HTTP dot set cookie. So, cookie name, value, so not the user ID. Let's do like what you said, like state and generate. I mean, we can do like generate random string 32, and then we have error, and then we can do state here, right? I think. thinking. So paths. Yeah, let's finish this. Then I gotta think what to do next. What is the fucking HTTP only? True. Okay. So what's good at least in Next.js is that you can check all of this in middleware. So let's. I mean, you can do it in I think what server actions. You can get a cookie in server pages, in RSCs. Yeah. Okay, so what do I have here? Oh my god, I suck. Get connect. Gothic begin off handler. And then here we can do cookie. What is this? It's a cookie, just a quick header. I can't do that. I forgot. Bullshit, bro. Set cookie. That's okay. And then can you get that cookie later? We can get it in the service, right? Or at least we should be able to. I think this is like every time I do anything, literally anything, authentication and authorization related, it is the biggest pain ever. Because I'm not sure. Like it's easy to do stuff, but like I want to think through, think about what I can do. So we're setting this cookie. That's fine. We also definitely need to check this. If we don't have this, like this should just fucking stop. Like main session not found. Please log in. Right. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna fuck it up. And see where that takes me. And then we can change stuff. Also, it's been kind of 3 hours already. Now we'll see, I'll have to go soon. I could also do... Okay, to make this clear, I'll do this. Here, we're gonna have this taken. Okay, take this in. Alright.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
I think I'm done for today. Nothing's wrong per se. Just like the flow, it's like just kind of stuck. And I want to get back to it tomorrow with the rested brain, and I'll be fine. We'll be fine. Yeah, all flows do suck. I think it's gonna be, when we set that flow up, it's gonna be nice, and it's gonna be much easier to work with everything. But yeah, I kind of want to chill a bit for the rest of this Sunday, yeah. And I will be on tomorrow, the same time I was on today. So we're gonna solve it tomorrow, definitely. I'll look it up before the stream so we don't get stuck on it for like 3 hours the next stream, and then I'll try to set it up as best as I can, or see what I can set up as best as I can, and then we can kind of debug it together and see where we are. Yeah, thank you for coming. It's been a pleasure today. So I will see you tomorrow, and have a great rest of the Sunday.